Hello friend, I have a Samsung A22 5G screen today. So let's remove the back. It has a plastic back, which is most Samsung A series has a plastic back, so it's very easy to remove. All it has that has a tape on the corners is easy after removing all the screws. So I'm just detaching the back from the body, so it's kind of easy because it's so this part is a little bit careful because it has an antenna cable underneath that, and when you'll see this is a white antenna cable. So let's disconnect the battery and charging port and the screen connector, so the back thing. So just make sure this audio jack is with the charging port, so just put all together, pull all together. So let's remove the motherboard. I think there's a screw which is the black color, so let's remove. Now you can easily remove the motherboard from the body. Here we go. So that first part is done. Let's remove the here's a new screen, by the way. So let's remove the earpiece and the battery from the old screen. So I think everything is removed from the old part. Oh no, this button, this is the power button, because the new screen doesn't have this. So after removing this one, so here's a new screen, so I'm just putting everything back. And here is the motherboard screw which I took out, plastic piece. Let's put battery and connect the screen connector and the charging port connector. Yeah, let's put the battery. Here's the final screw of the back, and let's turns on. It's turning on, says and it turns on everything. Everything is working. Yeah, the touch is working. So let's put back glass or the plastic back to the actual position. So everything is good now. So if you like that video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friend, and see you in the next video. Enjoy.